Hello everybody, this is Dr. Bob DeMaria with another episode of Ask Dr. Bob. Some very interesting questions. One of the very first ones, Dr. Bob, how do strawberries, pineapple, and watermelon cause left neck pain? Well, I'm going to tell you, I learned this back in the 1980s. I'm going to go to the model that I have here. Inside of the torso, you can see this is the pancreas. The pancreas it originates up here in the left upper back, but it moves to this area. So what I have learned from my experience, left neck, mid-back pain is caused by foods that place a demand on the pancreas. Watermelon, pineapple, yogurt, anything that's sweet that needs that pancreas to work harder will almost always cause left neck and mid-back pain. I've also seen left neck and mid-back pain from the nightshades, tomatoes, potatoes, eggplant, and green pepper. And let me clarify this. They're not bad foods, but most people have compromised pancreas because they eat too much sugar and junk food. Second question. Had a female that contacted us. She's having chronic bacterial, vaginal challenges, some external genitalia issues, inflammation going on in various aspects of her body. Wanted to know if mercury could be causing it. She had them taken out, the mercury, when she was in her 20s. She's done birth control pills, just a lot of stuff. I must have had issues with marriage, and just at her wit's end. So there's so many things that go on. Yes, mercury can compromise function because mercury impairs digestion. That's significant. It can cause actually toxicity in the body. When I have people that have chronic infections going on, there's definitely an imbalance. A lot of times, you heard me speak about this before, it could be parasites. And I'm not saying you do have parasites, but anybody that comes in that's chronically infected, have you been to a third world country? Do you eat sushi? Do you have a cat? Do you grind your teeth at night? When somebody has a parasite challenge, their immune system is very much compromised. You may consider a stool assessment to tell you what organisms may or may not be growing in your body, a complete blood count with a CBC, we call it, and differential, and look at your eosinophils. So I know your immune system could definitely be a challenge. Dr. Bob, with all the vitamins and stuff, could you make a list for me? I'm going to refer you to Dr. Bob's Drugless Guide to Balancing Female Hormones. In that book, I have a list of body signals and some of the nutrients that we use to help assist those. I have a book that will be coming out very soon, Dr. Bob's Guide to Prevent Surgery, where I have even a more detailed list of body signals and how to take care of them. There's just so many possibilities. Dr. Bob, what's the best way to detoxify the kidney? Drink lots of water, but also an important key is the liver. So this is the liver. The liver is located right here in the body. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away the intestines and those lower digestive organs. The liver is right here. I'm going to take the liver out, and what I want you to notice that these are the kidneys. The kidneys are located right here in the middle of the abdomen, and on top of the kidneys are the adrenal glands. And so when your liver is compromised, it's going to place an extra demand on your kidneys. So the liver is also an important organ or gland to have functioning optimally. I think this is a real good visual for you to understand when you hear me talk about the kidneys are the second liver. Last question. Dr. Bob, I was diagnosed with dermatomyositis. They want to put me on a lot of meds. Any help or any advice would help. Well, anytime that somebody has any kind of skin problem, I always go back to the liver. The liver is important. And also these adrenal glands, which make up natural cortisone for your body. I would totally eliminate sugar. I had a lady came in my office that had acne rosacea for 12 years. She was addicted to chocolate chip cookies and sugar. She got off the cookies and the sugar, her acne cleared up. I know that it seems kind of simple. And I just had a woman who just left the practice just a few minutes ago. She had total redness and peeling in her hands. She had dark circles on her face. She had it since she was a kid. And what we encouraged her to do is we worked on cleansing that liver. We use something called the castor oil pack. And what we'll do is we're going to throw a coupon code out to you right now. And the keyword is going to be castor, C-A-S-T-O-R. And we're going to give you a special savings of 10% just by using C-A-S-T-O-R. And I would suggest you start using that one time per week. Literally all of you listening could do that. Her skin totally cleared. She changed her diet. She looks tremendous. Thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Bob DeMaria.